Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with Pasquini, Livia 90, and this is coming in with a pod portafilter and group head as well. It's brought in because of low pressure, and so we perform a tune-up, basically descaling the machine, disassembling up in the group head, the screens there, and cleaning, soaking them, replacing the gaskets, doing the same thing with the portafilter, giving the machine just a general good cleaning. And now it's functioning once again, so let's test it. Just set that there. Good flow from the group. It's been sitting on here for a minute, so we're just gonna, purge out the overly hot water. So everything's up to temperature. There we go. Alright. And we'll pull a shot. Didn't come with the drip tray, so I'm just gonna hold this little cup here as a bruise. Alright. Looking good. We're probably going to stop at about an ounce here for the pod. Seems about right. Discharge there, normal. Usually goes in the drip tray. Let's do some steam. Nice, good steam pressure. And we'll do some hot water as well. Get the nozzle over here. Alright, Pasquini Livia 90, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.